Hi guys, today in this video I am going to show you how to install Confluence on Linux distribution and configure HTTPS or SSL. First of all, we need to download Confluence installation file, which I have already downloaded. Here you can see here in download section, this one. So let's go. Open terminal and sudo apt get update, hit enter, provide your system account password. Now we have to make this Atlassian Confluence file to executable. So go to the download directory, cd downloads, hit enter, change mode, a+x Atlassian Confluence, this version number dot bin, hit enter. Now sudo Atlassian Confluence version number dot bin and hit enter. Now it is unpacking JRE and starting installer. Okay, this will install Confluence, this version on your computer. Okay, for okay, hit enter, and there is the 1 2 3 options. This is my fresh installation, so I will continue with option 1. This is the summary. Installation directory will be /opt/Atlassian/Confluence, and home directory will be /var/Atlassian/application data/Confluence, and HTTP ports will be 8090 and RMA port will be 8000, and installation is service S. For the installation or continue, press I or enter, or both I and hit enter. Installation of Confluence 6.15.4 is complete. Start Confluence now. I will say yes. For yes, type Y and press enter. Now it is launching Confluence. Okay, service is started and it says now we can access Confluence from this web link, web URL. So go to your browser, HTTP port is 8090. Okay, Confluence is started. I'll continue with trial next and get an evaluation key here. Product Confluence and Confluence server. Select this one. Organization demo.local, that's fine, and check your server ID here. This is server ID and generate license, and yes, it is local, it is my localhost, and continue and click next. Okay, trial license is applied and manage users and group within Confluence. Click here. Username admin, that's fine for me. Name admin, email admin@demo.local, and create your password. Click next. I don't want to save, and setup is successful. Let's start. and space name. Hit enter. Okay, this is the first space of Confluence. That's great. Now we are going to configure SSL or HTTPS. For that, first of all, we need to verify Java home variable. Because of we need to use key tool to create self-signed certificate for SSL or HTTPS certificate. So sudo apt get update, provide your password again, that's fine, and reload your system variable. So source etc and environment variable, hit enter, that's fine. Close this one and open terminal, echo $sign java underscore home. Not set this one. So for that one we have to find out the Java or GRE in this system, and Confluence install Java and Tomcat by default. So ls list opt Atlassian Confluence GRE bin. Okay, that's fine. There is key tool, so we have to set this path to Java home variable. So sudo nano opt etc and environment, hit enter, provide your password again here, java underscore home equal to this path GRE up to bin. Save and close terminal, and I'm going to close this tab also and reboot your system. System is restarted. Open terminal. Now we have to verify Java home. So echo $sign java underscore home. Yeah, this is Java home, that's fine. Now we have to go up to the bin directory, cd opt Atlassian Confluence GRE bin, hit enter, and in this directory key tool generated key pair gen key pair, key size 2048, key ALG key algorithm RSA sign ALG is SSA 256 with RSA, hit enter and enter your key store password to enter. Provide your information here.